back, everybody, to Valvetronic Designs, and man, we've got something extremely heavy on the lift. We brought the car in and I was concerned it was gonna break through the floor, our 10-inch thick concrete floor. And the exhaust system we're gonna show today for you guys is our production-ready system. Again, this car just has a catback on it, and the factory exhaust does not have exhaust valves. Thank God, because I'm sure if it did have exhaust valves, it would do all the wacky stuff that the G80s do. This exhaust is our full exhaust platform. It's got our 4-inch titanium single wall tips, which look really, really nice against the blue. The sound quality has been really improved from factory. The factory exhaust is extremely heavy, very restrictive, and we wanted to give enthusiasts, whether you're just gonna do an OEM plus type of modifications, let's say this is kind of like an M performance type sound to your M5 and not touch anything else, great way to go. Or if you want to add some downpipes, some freer flowing components, this setup gives you the flexibility so you can have loud and quiet control over the exhaust and really dial in the experience. Let's go take a look. So as a current F90 M5 owner, my car's in 2021, seeing this car and experiencing it, my car with the full titanium exhaust setup, Valvetronic, with the downpipes, sounds absolutely world class. The problem is, compared to the new G90, it is a very different flavor of vehicle. Although this car with the hybrid technology, it's adding a lot more power and performance, but we needed to make sure we cranked up the sound. The exhaust comes back, you have your X pipe up front, it comes back. The outer tips do have valves, so you have your control, of course, large center muffler. It's a similar type of ethos we developed and engineered for the F90 M5. The same type of technology applies because the engines are not so different. But this new generation of S68 has a more M550 type of sound, which is more deep, kind of more AMG. I love it. Can't wait for you guys to enjoy it. Startup, revs, flybys, hard acceleration, GoPro on the rear bumper. We're gonna hang out with Shane and I on the interior, and we're gonna show you why Valvetronic Designs is known for engineering, designing, and building the world's greatest exhaust, whether it comes to BMWs or very cool project like this Huracan STO right next to us. Let's get to it. Viewers, it might break through the floor. I'm concerned. Inside the G90 right now. The big thing to know about this car is when they went from the F90 to this car, the factory exhaust sound, as we put out in a different video, is so lackluster and quiet. You genuinely would think that you're driving a 530i, 530e even. It's so quiet, it's just not interesting, not fitting this type of vehicle with this character. But this car is still running stock downpipes, everything is stock, no other modifications except the full exhaust catback. You're getting a lot more of a familiar type of M experience. It's bassy, it's exciting, and it gives an extra layer of drama to this car. I know a lot of people, this is a big, heavy Autobahn cruise missile, kind of like the Audi S8 was back in the day. This car is perfect for those types of journeys, but obviously you want to have some excitement and some dynamic character with the exhaust setup to accentuate what is, even though it's very heavy, what is quite a special vehicle. So I'm gonna stop talking, just enjoy the interior experience of this M5. little windows down. Listen, Pops. It's nice. I'm actually getting some overrun, which I didn't get before. Who weighs more, this or that? I'm getting more M550, kind of an N63 sound, which personally I think sounds better than F90 M5. Some good pops. Ooh.
Yeah, you heard that?
Yeah, wait, that was impressive. We're gonna do the same type of driving, but with active sound on and with the active sound off. Personally, having driven the car a little bit, I like to have the exhaust open with the active sound off. So we're gonna do the normal active sound on first. So listen. So that's active sound on. Now listen. I get more of a natural engine sound. Everybody, that is the Valvetronic G90 experience. Now, a lot of people make fun of this car because of the weight and maybe the rather strange styling characteristics, but there is no doubt quite potent powertrain that lurks beneath this very heavy vehicle. It's talking to us. It's excited about its new exhaust. The car has the full catback on it. The factory exhaust doesn't have valves, but this system really cranks up the experience. And of course, it's Valvetronic, so of course we have valves to control the experience. When we put some free flow components up front, this thing's gonna really sound insane, much like my F90 M5. But thank you guys so much for watching. We were very proud to be one of the first in the world to put exhaust on these cars, and you can expect pre-orders of these systems to be shipping early 2025. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next M5 video, hopefully with some downpipes, and we hope that it doesn't break our lift with how heavy it is. See you then, guys.